Alright, welcome to another short video. I came across this product. It's Prolon and you got three different types. So I will show you what you can do with it. And in the workshop and in way other scenarios, this is really useful. I'm not going to explain all the things that you can do with it, but I'm just going to mention a couple of things that I do with it and I'm super happy with it. So you got this version. It's basically the same as the Heavy. So this is, you can get all these in this bottle and they don't have gas in it. So you just spray it out. So those are the versions, the heavy enduro, the medium, and this is the paste. And you can get this in big boxes and all that. What it is, it's basically made of sheep wool. So out of New Zealand, they have loads of sheep there, and somebody thought, let's do something with that stuff, and they designed this product. It's already a long time on the market, and I'm just using it now for 3 months, and I'm super happy with it. What it does, it protects, it cleans, it removes stickers, basically the WD40 stuff, only then natural based. So I got a couple of things that I want to show. So this is just rusty and it's been outside for I think over 17 years now. Now let's take the heavy on this one. Let's just spray it on and let it sit there for a couple of minutes. So the next test would be my Lee Nielsen number 4. This away a little bit. So let's spray on the enduro. And let this sit here for a couple of minutes. So this is the third one. It's my bandsaw, and as you can see, it all have different kinds of spots. I don't know what it all is, but I sprayed in with the heavy. Spray it in. And let it sit there for also a couple of minutes. So here it's now like a couple of minutes, and you can see there's already rust coming off. So let's give it a clean rub with this sponge. So let's wipe it off a little bit. And this is already. So this is the cast iron with Prolon. Yeah, this is without. So let's do number 2, which is my planer. And I used to use wax for before I'm gonna take off some wood. So before I'm gonna use my planer. But since I've been using this stuff, it is already a good layer of wax, so you don't have to wax your planers anymore, which is also quite helpful. It leaves all those stripes on your hand planer, at least with me. I'm using green, so the super fine one. And as I said, since I've been using this stuff, this is just shiny and super smooth, super smooth. So this is good for another month. So this is my Bensol tabletop, and let's just wipe it off and see how it's after cleaning it. Here's the cast iron top, which is also really clean, a good layer of protection, and wax. So last but not least, this is the grease, the last one, and it's the thick stuff. You can use it also for tons of things. The only thing what I wanted to mention is don't use it for ball bearing grease because it can't stand a lot of heat. And the rest, yeah, perfect nature product. This video is not sponsored. I just want to share something that I'm really happy with and yeah, help fellow woodworkers or workers or DIY people with knowing some good products. So a lot of different options that you can use this product for. I'm using it for everything in my workshop, everything outside, so also a protection for my outdoor furniture, loads of things. Just if you are looking for something to protect your chisels, protect your planers, or your cast iron tops in your shop from your bandsaw, table saw, whatever, this is super handy. And go check it out online. I'll put a link in the description below. In Europe where you can buy this, I know they're all over the world, so basically you should get it everywhere. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, before you're gonna go away, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, support my channel, I really appreciate it. See you in the next one.